with another video. Today I'm going to unbox this Korea. I got it from Amazon. I don't know what is it on, so let's quickly unbox this. I have my knife. I only realized what is it. Okay. Now I remember. I ordered a speed cube. Rubik's cube. Whoa. Okay, this is the instruction. Who needs instructions? Wow. So smooth. Whoa, guys. This is a cube. Wow. So guys, this is the cube. So smooth, guys. Wow. A little heavy. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to make unboxing. I thought like it could be my new iPhone or something else. So I ordered a phone. I don't know what it could be, and as well as this. I thought it was like some phone. I got to know it's a cube. My God, yeah, the details. No, it's it from Amazon. So guys, that's it for today's video. Get this cube. It's nice. Actually, it's too nice. Speed cube. Oh, I almost dropped it. That's it for today's video. Peace, guys.